Yen Mawa Kwaba from Adom TV Badwam so. Na no pay yen samna sie no ne di kan ede abro sa Adom TV. Badwam kase ne to dwo mu bi ya wo beti ni nima polyclinic mpanifo se bebia wadwuma bo wo humode akoduro no ehia se polyclinic no wo mo tre wo mahiem sasere de ta ho nti yemwa won na wo miem yebekọ ho no yede mu nsam ne chemu abramo na yakọ eye posi adwuma no mu nso ani bi na monten a susuo so ompeso mu yi IGP efri ho no eno ene nsem bi na no pay me de besomo sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo hwe me live on Facebook/Adom TV Go TV channel no ye 119 DSTV ye 280 midin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mutie se den nsam ni chemu ankasa etie Administrator Danima Polyclinic no eye Gertrude Aba Bequin ene wode to edwasre se obia betumi aba beboa wo mo na Polyclinic woni ma no wo matumi atre masasere de wo no mo wo ene so adwuma no aso ani enipa nso adoso wo ho nti no e wo se wo kire wo hye mu se be ya enipa dodo a edi wo atrentwie no obenya baabi ede asomo Adom TV kase etoso
hwe ha asase ne so nenso bebia nipa be ye adwuma wo no eye ketwa nti obia nyame de beto na komemu so se opese oye ya adoye bia no obe hu ye ye challenges ni nyina beto nanim na ono ahwe na hoodin ni obetumi no ofa se ye ketwa bi mpo a oye a ye beda na se
Chairman no neda Conference of Heads of Basic Schools ano ewa Yawasu East. Tamimu Ibrahim ene Adom News Central for Ekasa no wodi tudwa se na wotwe dwumedi a womo ede esi wonani so a womo edi no enumu ana womo ye womo adwene se womo be sa adoye yi ede amanima polyclinic.
Ye na yetnas na ye fa adwen no ene na agitu mu se eyampa polyclinic no bibia womo ja nan bibia womo kojonso no ese ye pe bibi a womo betimi de siesie ho na se nipa uba hospital a ense se uba hospital na uba fa yare kofie ese uba hospital na ukodwaye ho no ma utimi ko siesie ho a ese o siesie ho ye umfa infection bia emfa kofie enu nti na yi na yitum se yem hwehwe mop yento washing powder yento tissue and liquid soap na emfa mbeboa hospital no iwo mu se endorse mum na nso ketwa bi enso a yenso na yetimi adwin a yetimi ato de abre hospital no so bo say yenso ye wo ha no ye dwin wo mo ho
DB and Monte so ye commissioner of police and yet ne no de ka ene se won person yi IGP edeno efri ho na ene no tie mu a na se nipa na wo kasa no won hunu de nti a IGP dampare ase wo ye ne me ye ema nam so abaso bode no ne ade ekoso ye de ma no ene ase north by election say waka bibi kakra de afa ho ewo ho yenkotie sa ne no ebra.
You see, this genuine humility, genuine, and yet the faithful humility. Yes, he's the one that we want. Now, when you say the enemy, you will see the outcome of the elections. Do you understand? And he's a true party man. The president is aware because of the way he's being treated. He decided that even Joe Sims rather agreed with him that you are a party man. If these people don't want to give you the ID, because of you, I won't go again. Come and contest my seat, and I will support you to win. That is not what we want. We want him. Constituency, yes, but why? We don't want him as MP. Yes, not Tracy. I told you, he's a party man. You see, and the president is aware. I am telling you, he's here. You see, it is not only his constituency that we want him to serve.
No.
He should serve MPP at the national level.
Yes. I mean, that's his profession.
That is his profession. He's a lawyer, he's a chartered accountant. He taught me at the police college. And when he teaches you, I mean, he has a nice method of teaching. So getting the import of what he has taught you is very easy. This is simple. Simplifies everything. You see? So he's the one everybody wants to see. This man is not a lawyer. He has no fair idea of the law. He has never been on the field. It was NDC that was promoting him day in, day out. When Massa was assistant superintendent of police, he was a sergeant.
You are what?
Sergeant. Sergeant.
I told her that you didn't believe.
Sergeant. Then NDC brought you this far. Now, what he's bragging about is the fact that he will be IGP to 2030, because your mama has promised him if he should win, may God forbid anything, if he should win, he will maintain him as IGP.
Now, was some way any Nina Babonteno, so for Washer Interior, so Ambrose Derry said, no cribby and Musa buying Bopobi, so my post is something you know at the freehold. Adom TV, it was so.
I've listened to the audio, and it is quite strange. No commissioner worth his salt will do this. I'm tempted to believe that is that application of AI that has generated the voice and have done such a thing. It is dastardly, it is shameful, because if you want to lobby to be appointed of IGP, that is the wrong way, because what you are doing, if it is true, if the president even remove Dr. George Akufu Dampare and appoint whoever is lobbying so badly for it, we will paint you as an MPP surrogate.
And wachi, a soft for her fisem eso, Ambrose Derry, and so Becassa Yechere say, and ya dear Quine Biaso say, Ghana Baina na say, NPP Manukono, Womo Eshe Sumasia, Woyen maybe per se, IGP George Akufu Dampare, Wababajini Dibre Edia Finisem.
Well, I serve my president and I'll do what is policy to bring the development of this country. I'm not sure I want to get involved in any investigation of things, except that they relate to crime. Then we'll do that. But people in office who were too big to be touched, and therefore the tenet of rule of law that we are equal before the law was not tenable. And also we had a professionalism at the time that we were not training people adequately, we were not equipping them, and that's what we sought out to deal with. And therefore, as far as I'm concerned, we've made a lot of progress.
Ora Katie Hammond say waya krado ebeshia ora question and a lawyer for our court and nay ora question ne amrenim for bonokwadu and answer contempt ya channel contempt yeah no so ode ho anu ya ba so waya krado so nso beshia won our court Adom TV edeba.
Listen, I don't run away from my responsibilities. I made a statement here in Parliament. If they want to take me up in court, yes, of course. At the end of the day, that's where these matters end up. So what was the big deal? I said as precedent. I'm not sure if those lawyers understand what precedent is, but I think I predicated my statement with the fact that there is what in legal terms called a precedent. So I'll meet him in court.
And wachi, NPP Mrashibijani, Emma Okaikwe Central, Patrick Buama, and so the Adesre, to NDC Mrashibijafuna, and must say, some Rashibijafia French Yamwa, a yana womo embano, a yadeba ko ha drimpa, a san sebanesa, never be also mudi home common, a yanema no eketi.
When it comes to the business on the floor, it's a very important caucus in our parliamentary business. So any decision by the minority not to participate actively in the business of the House would definitely affect proceedings. It's a very unfortunate situation that we are going through, but the minority is exercising their rights under the laws.
Paniba kwa na ndida kwan so betu franka ma MPP amanyoko ye kwabena je Japan na wode nsama to dwabra wo pa ne campaign ho ntoma wo susuo sa ban oba no homoden pa ne mom bosha hodo bi a wo hyehyɛ ye wo emfiempino ene aduonu mu ne 2016 no fano ano woni so ensam ne nkyeremu eni.
Our party, the MPP, therefore cannot afford to put forward those who led us to this state and expect Ghanaians to embrace them during the 2024 election. We need a new face, a pair of clean hands.
We eno bobo na ni so ade hunu ya wo edemo men so mako e kire sia hene na atwa hene for se won hweso yi na won fa nto aba emfama no.
A lean, wholly downsized government, one that works efficiently, effectively to deliver to the aspirations and expectations of the Ghanaian people. The ministries will be reconfigured, to align with the constitutional cap of 19 cabinet, to be assisted by an equal number of deputies, in addition to the 16 in the regions, making up a team of 54.
Ora kwa mpianim ya ono e company fo a wochechera manyekuo ihu bia ebesika san mu nso a itrimu abobe wo mu bi nso de nanu di sam atudwa wo kire se ora kwa bene Japan enkwa bonten no nkoton ne ho emfa masi ahene na atwa ahene fo yie se ne be ya omo so begina tumu no ato abama no free se adwuma dodo a waye ene bra wabra manyekuo no nko a entumi mfa franketu fo di bra no enhya ne nsam.
A lot of the money we borrow, a lot is stolen in theft, corruption, part of it incompetence is sent. So take the message, not mine. The message Kwabena Japan gave today, and that's the message you take to the people. That this is the message that's a new dawn. I was born in the new dawn.
Citizen Forum, one shisha sabeya. Yebeto aba, yebeto awie, ene adaye to aba no basabasa bia ensie ni tichu ewo mabunu ne femu no won di dwumade bi ahyehye so ya won botaye ene se mabunu obi nto won madwen fasika na da wo mo enkodi enema bi a ensem fata akiri Youth Bridge Foundation ene wo madi sa adwumaya Adom TV piase etwasui.
It is therefore crucial that the youth resist any attempt by misguided elements to prevent the collective voice of the people from being heard by actively participating in democratic processes to give peace and national development a chance.
Joyce Nyame a programs manager at Youth Bridge Foundation. One also nekasa yemu and wadi to just say, you may be able to say, Obema and Mebunu any other honomo.
Yebesha eye African countries etwa ye ho ehia no ntokwa akokwa akokun bebre ekoso na ne titiru na bifa eye elections ho enti ye ya adwen se ye ntwen ema ye ndu elections ansa ne abekasa afa peace ho enti yebesha asiesesia na yaka ama Ghana mabunu ehu se eye asumdue na ye wo no esese ye bo ho ban ena asumdue so eye bibia ehu hia ema mpumtuo.
Executive Secretary at National Peace Council, George Amo, and sitting some say, and that's also.
See, I tell her, say, a Mibruno, Omodo Supa, Omotraba, the door, I want my imasi. In the Sana Tedia, na decision no, a womansem. Say, decision womansem, dear. Na, I say, womo a siabo tref, a traba, a yin penny for more a bedream, a mebuno.
Osofo ya wo hwangu masua so ye Dr. ya wo se duchum nene wate abedwakuo wonye nhwehwemu fa enipa na wo kwotwere nsohwe se da bi oba be ya checherefo a dodo na edi ntwu no wonye nhwehwemu emfa ho
enipa dodo na apase nanso binum ho a o ma ya to aso saa ya na nsohwe emunsem edoso enti o muntimi emom homoden enya o krata enti metu aginafo bi a o hwehwemu ye arse DNT ena nipa yi omokoye nsohwe yi omamom homoden emoa ben ena ebetim ede aboa omo na omatimi apase nsohwe yi na de mpese mu hu no se we nye a teacher for omo kira de we ye wo mo a wo mo se a teacher dwuma yi a ye ni gi hu yi omo so pese omo ba mu bie
Enwechina registrar ya the National Teaching Council ano Dr. Christian Adepoku enso di tudwa se asoye no nhye se obetumi de ensohwe bi aba ya won mo pese ogentetiye ewo adekire mu no ebidi kan atworo kora ansa na wotumi amwo nkwan amwo akwakwaje saa entetiye no.
I've had discussions with the ministry and we are looking at possibility of introducing an entrance assessment as part of the selection process for teacher education institutions. This to ensure that the college gate serves as the stopping point for people who potentially may not be able to become teachers. By taking the numeracy and literacy exam at the time of entering into the teacher education institution, they are likely to sieve those that may not be able to do well at the college level.
Municipal Director Shongu Masua so wo Ayawasu East Adisa Tasa wode adesre neto awofo ne abatan no monim se wo manwu masua de won hwe emani hia wo mu ye pawofo ho nyim etumi aboa ma mofra no da chen so etumpon
parenting ade a ehayempa cause parents no ya omu involve omo ho nkwala no school kom nti omo de omo nyati free education no asa akwala no ba sometimes pra omo man akwala no aduane because onim si school feeding wo ho onso onim si free nti bibia free nti no wayi na sokura wayi na aduane free akwala no eyi ho nti
Wasan edi futuo emampenifo a womo eneda basic schools ano ewa Yawaso East.
As leaders, I was womo ma omo brana omo bono. Enye example. Na entimi influence omo ewo omo etino te so omo teachers. Aha, entimi influence na omo mfa obuo. Mfa mo bia because na dum bi keke ntina omo be ye head teachers enye se omo yes no nko bi. Nti se omo 100 teachers ni year. Teachers no so classroom omo so betimi ye I tried ye
Bayanto so na nananom ne adehia wodwena se wotano north mensimu wa afumantemu abo mrahye bedwani abaso e wo nempuntu nyuma hodo ya wa mamu so e wo mantam nemu
obeboa yen e wo chip compound ema e ho bibia aye kama eno achi yen chei na yensuo ho eden e wo ha ene ma mi di hu kuta ho a ampara anche eda ye ni hia ye yesan e boss wasu we de engineer kwa di machi ye sorry ya na e ko chere ni baji obetunsuo ena me no pese etunsuo na wi bodwa eton san fra ye ma mi se ye besi ahimfie ye ma mi meboa ye ampa oba wo hye mbo se oba my 100 million ampa ene ya me no pese ye ma me e de check no abrena se scan saka
Dr. Frida Kusia Prempe ya wo yeta no no famra hye bedwani ene amane boni samia sare etwetwe nkomo no ene wo kire mu se ono nso ne kwan a wo fa so aboa amampumtuo abane manfuo abrabomu ani krom hono no nsenti emmoa wo de boa ekuro no enya ahemfo no nko an wo yama wonom ne mum manfuo odwene ase nyina ena wo boa wonom
eti wo hye na me hye wo se mabro musika e de ahye ahemfie na se no eno na ne we de be na nanu bra ye bodwa no omo de omo hia asam tu dwa so omo hia nsuo omo hia kane omo hia we na ni nyina me ka tro se dana ya ye no kula dada because me ba no na contractor bi mechi enti potem ha de e fi ato su kom na dwena se e tu nsuo wo ha omo kane ya ya mo kwan egusu aye ya mo ena omo se extension of electricity and so contractor so esa so ye maternity block de ha mo ti bi se ene ye da eye enigi sem e ma dwena se ma